meteorologist Jesse Walker.
This is probably not a shock to you with the forecast that we've got. NOAA released this today. Now, this is not until about another week away. This is the third week of June, the 21st to the 27th. But notice we highlight all of our Indiana counties and part of our Illinois counties in what we call the risk of a rapid onset drought or a flash drought. Usually droughts kind of take a time to develop, but because we're going to be looking at the peak of the amount of daylight, it's going to be hot. There's not going to be much rain in the forecast, and initially the dew points or the air mass will be relatively dry. It's really going to dry things out, and we haven't seen a ton of rain for a lot of the area lately. So we may be looking at some onset drought conditions here developing in about a week or so. That's something that we'll be keeping an eye on. We definitely got some hot weather on the way today. It was a pretty warm day, but the humidity level is not way high today. We hit 90 for the high. But 98, that's the record high set back in 2022. 70 the low, 48 is your record low. We set that in the year of 2019. By the way, remember that 83 because that's the average high this time of the year. We're not going to be even close to that really over the next several days, maybe a couple weeks as the heat starts to build in. No precipitation today. That's why I was talking about the fact that we don't really see much rain coming. We've only had an inch here so far this month. We're now basically halfway into the month, and we don't see a whole lot coming. As we get into early next week, there could be a few of those scattered afternoon, evening type thunderstorms, but they're very scattered. That's the thing. 90 right now at the airport in Terre Haute. Winds are north at 14, but here's the key. Relative humidity, 35%. The north wind brings dry air in, so 90 actually feels like 89. So the heat index is actually working backwards. That's going to reverse a little bit next week, and that's going to go up 29.94 on the air pressure. Here's what our cyclecast looks like for 7 o'clock Eastern time. Sunshine. 87. We'll still have that north breeze out there, maybe 10 or 11 miles per hour. Temperatures right now, we got a 93 down here in the Vincennes area, also 93 in Flora. 88 over in Mattoon, so we're talking hot weather across the area. But the dew points they're in check. When dew points are below 60, you're not too bad. So we're right around 60 to below in some places. So dew point numbers aren't bad. So when you look at the heat index, remember, it was 93 down here in Vincennes. Well, it's 94 is the heat index. So again, those numbers are not bad. We will see heat index values of 100 to 105, 106, something like that, as early as Monday, it looks like. Satellite and radar, there's really nothing to show. When the air is dry like that, you don't develop much cloud cover, and there's nothing to show here on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. I'm just going to let this roll for the next 48 hours because you're not going to see anything. Clear skies tonight. Tomorrow, as we start the weekend, sunshine again. The humidity level's not way high tomorrow, but they start to come up on Sunday. Just a few clouds pop here and there during the afternoon heating, but that's really about it. Again, we don't have much moisture to work with. This is getting all the way out to Sunday. Sunday, there may be a couple thunderstorms late in the day, mostly west of here. I don't think those will be impacting us. I wanted to show you the wind, though, because it's coming in from the north now, keeping the dew point numbers down. By tomorrow afternoon, the winds start to change a bit, but still not too bad tomorrow. But then watch what happens on Sunday. Not strong winds, but south winds. That brings more moisture into the area, and that means it's going to feel a bit more humid, especially Sunday into Monday, as the temperatures start to go even higher. Forecast tonight then down to 61, clear skies. Really a pretty nice night tonight. Then for tomorrow, the heat is on once again, near 90, but again, not way humid with a lot of sunshine. After that, as we take you into the day Sunday, which is Father's Day, we're talking 95 degrees, 96 on Monday. We may get a little moisture in here with some clouds as we head for Tuesday, Wednesday, but we're back in the mid-90s again on Thursday and Friday. Mike.
All right. Thank you, Jesse. Well, today is Flag Day.